This video demonstrates botulinum toxin injection technique in the glabellar complex for treatment of frown lines. The glabellar complex consists of paired corrugator muscles on either side of the procerus muscle. Contraction of these muscles draws the eyebrows medially and inferiorly. Prep the skin with alcohol and allow to dry. The first injection site is located at the lateral margin of the corrugator. Insert 1/4 of the needle length and inject 2.5 units or 0.1 mL of toxin. Compress the site firmly with gauze superiorly away from the orbital rim. The second injection is in the body of the corrugator. Grasp the corrugator between the thumb and first finger and lift the muscle off the frontal bone. Insert the full length of the needle and then release the thumb, maintaining the first finger on the orbital rim to decrease inferior migration of toxin. Inject 5 units or 0.2 mL of toxin using the retrograde linear threading technique, whereby toxin is injected continuously as the needle is slowly withdrawn. Repeat these same injections on the contralateral side of the face. First, inject the lateral margin of the corrugator using 2.5 units or 0.1 mL of toxin. Then inject the body of the corrugator using 5 units or 0.2 mL of toxin. For the final injection of the procerus, reposition to stand in front of the patient. Stabilize your non-dominant hand by resting a finger against the patient and use your thumb as a stage upon which you can rest your syringe so that you can move your thumb up and down to position the syringe where needed. Insert 1/4 of the needle length into the procerus and inject 5 units or 0.2 mL of toxin. The total dose of toxin used in the glabellar complex for treatment of frown lines is 20 units.
It's important to note that patients don't present based on individual muscles. They come into the office with complaints such as I look tired or grumpy, etc. The next step in your botulinum toxin journey will be learning how to combine treatments of multiple muscles to enhance outcomes and address these concerns.